Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a streaming service from scratch is a complex task, but I can guide you through the basic concepts and provide a simplified example to help you understand the foundational elements involved. This tutorial will cover 1. Understanding streaming basics. 2. Setting up the environment. 3. Building the backend with Flask. 4. Building the frontend with HTML/CSS/JavaScript. 5. Streaming video content. 1. Understanding streaming basics. Streaming involves transmitting media content, like video or audio, over the internet in real time. Unlike downloading, where a file is saved locally, streaming sends data in smaller packets that can be played immediately. 2. Setting up the environment. To build a simple streaming service, we'll use Python with Flask for the backend and HTML/CSS/JavaScript for the frontend. Here's how to set up your environment. 1. Install Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. 2. Install Flask. You can install Flask via pip. 3. Set up project structure. 3. Building the backend with Flask. Create a file named app.py in the streaming_service directory. This file will contain the backend logic. 4. Building the frontend with HTML/CSS/JavaScript. Create an index.html file inside the templates folder. 5. Streaming video content. To stream video, we defined a root/video in app.py. The generate_video function reads the video file in chunks and sends it to the client. The video is embedded in the HTML using the video tag. Running the streaming service. 1. Navigate to your project directory in the terminal. 2. Run the Flask application. 3. Open your web browser and go to http://127.0.0.1:5000/. You should see a simple interface with a video player that streams sample.mp4. Conclusion. This is a very basic implementation of a streaming service. In a real-world application, you would need to consider authentication and user management, handling various video formats and adaptive streaming, scaling the application using cloud services or dedicated servers, implementing a database for storing metadata about videos. Next steps. To enhance your streaming service, you might consider adding a database, like SQLite or PostgreSQL, to manage video metadata. Implementing user authentication with Flask login or other libraries. Exploring video encoding and adaptive bitrate streaming techniques. This tutorial serves as a foundational starting point. As you become more familiar with the basics, you can gradually incorporate more advanced features and technologies. Happy coding!